All right, instructions on the smart lock to get into the house. Um, it's a touchscreen. To wake it up, kind of put your palm on it, the numbers will come up. To lock it as you leave, you hit the padlock. You can hear it lock, and then the lock icon shows that now it's locked. You come back home, wake up the screen again. Sometimes you have to touch it a couple of times, or maybe there it is. The numbers will flash, and for this I just have 1234 as a demo password. You hear the lock open, check mark, the door is unlocked. For your password, you can request any 4 to 8 digit number, and I can program that in for you remotely for your check-in.